We all know about ChatGPT, and some truly mind-blowing but also creepy stuff is going down with AI right now. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently went and did something really unusual. He literally testified in front of the US Senate and basically begged them to start regulating super powerful AI systems like ChatGPT before issues arise. Why would he do that? Because according to Altman, AI is advancing at a crazy fast pace that most people don't fully realize. He pointed to ChatGPT as an example, saying that if we don't regulate these powerful AI systems the right way, things like this chatbot could accidentally spread tons of misinformation, replace huge numbers of jobs pretty much overnight, and be used by governments for sketchy mass surveillance and propaganda. This is some scary stuff.
My worst fears are that we, the field, the technology, the industry, cause significant harm to the world.
In order to try and prevent any of these issues, Altman proposed some basic rules for the most advanced AI systems being created. Things like making companies get a special license from the government in order to create certain types of super AI, requiring that AI pass tough tests proving it's safe, unbiased, and ethically created before being released to the public, and mandating companies be more transparent about the data and techniques they're using to build their AI systems.
Oversight of artificial intelligence, the first in a series of hearings intended to write the rules of AI.
The senators broadly agreed that oversight of AI was needed, acknowledging Congress had failed to rein in social media companies in the past. Senators floated potential approaches like creating an independent regulatory agency, implementing rules to increase industry transparency, and enacting antitrust measures. However, some senators also struggled at times to demonstrate a nuanced understanding of AI's capabilities and complexities. Making actual laws to regulate AI won't be easy at all. There's a bunch of roadblocks. For one, big AI companies and powerful people don't want strict rules. These companies want to be free to keep innovating and making progress however they want. Also, AI is super complicated and constantly changing really quickly. It's hard for laws to keep up with how fast AI is progressing. Politicians also argue a lot about the details. They fight over how much regulation is actually needed and what kind of rules would work best. Even though most folks agree we need some basic rules for AI, there's different opinions on the specifics. Some want really strict rules for exactly how AI can be used. Others think we should allow for more innovation and freedom with lighter regulation. Turning our worries about the risks of AI into actual useful laws that work can be tough. We have to overcome companies that want to avoid strict rules that limit them, the really fast pace of progress in AI technology, and politicians focusing more on what's best for them, not necessarily what's best overall. The fact that AI is complicated and hard for non-experts to fully understand. Creating good policies for AI isn't going to happen overnight. It'll take effort, smart ideas, and compromises that make everyone at least somewhat happy. Other tech executives from companies like IBM, Microsoft, and Google seem to agree that having some basic governance frameworks is probably a good idea. But actually getting Congress to pass useful, effective laws that actually regulate AI in a smart way definitely won't be simple. Congress has struggled for years to properly deal with tech issues, and of course, big tech companies definitely don't want rules that limit their innovation in any way. So while most researchers think that doing nothing and having zero regulation for super powerful AI systems would be risky, there are very different opinions on exactly how much oversight we actually need. Altman's proposals aim for a middle ground approach that balances innovation with safeguards, but some experts argue that stricter regulation may be required for particularly high-risk uses of this powerful technology. The plain truth is that AI isn't going away. These superintelligent systems are being created whether we like it or not. But if we aren't smarter about how we manage the risks that come along with this technology, it may very well end up controlling us instead of the other way around. That's what makes what Altman is doing so crucial and can potentially change the course of history. His unusual step of testifying in front of the Senate aims to prompt action and regulation before serious issues arise from these mind-blowingly powerful AI technologies. His warnings and vision for responsible, ethical AI governance could shape how these technologies impact society for decades and generations to come. If we listen to his warnings and learn from them, the future of AI could enhance human flourishing in incredible ways. But if we fail to properly manage its risks, these superintelligent systems may end up controlling our fate instead. The future of AI is literally in our hands right now. We need to make sure that as we create these superintelligent systems, we build them in a way that benefits humanity instead of allowing AI to reshape the world however it wants, regardless of human values and goals. The choice is ours. Let's choose wisdom. Let's ensure that the future of AI becomes a future that we actually wish to create.